What's up guys, it's Rakina and I'm doing this video because I want to actually show you something and I want you to watch the video and then do it for yourself because it's pretty important for this to work really well so that you are getting really good visibility online because Google looks highly on mobile friendly sites. So here's what I want you to do. You should have Chrome on your phone already. Go up here, do a new incognito tab, come up here, type in the website address that of your site. Good grief, I'm so anxious to tell you this. Stumbling over my words. Okay, so I'm typing in my RakinaVelty.com website and I'm going to go to it, and I want you, before you click go, to count 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, 4 to see how long it takes for your site to load. So here we go. 1 1,000, 2 1,000, under 3 seconds. That's what you want. If your website is taking longer than that to load, that's an issue. This website that I have here is built on Wix, so I know some people already have their websites built on Wix, and some people are against it because they say, it takes too long to load, it's not good for SEO. That's all bull. I feel like people that say that are just more apt to use a different platform, and that's okay too, especially if you can hit and tick off all the marks that Google's looking for. But for me, the easiest way to do all types of customizations and features and to access their support and their help, it's been just phenomenal for me for the last few years. And I've helped several other beauty business pros, build their website and get it to a point where they just love it and now they know how to do it. And even if you don't know how to do it, I can definitely help you there as well. So I just wanted to show you how quickly your website should be loading, because if it's taking longer than that, Google is going to penalize your website. So thank you so much for watching. I want you to comment and let me know how long your website is taking to load in the mobile view, because if it's taking longer than 2 or 3 seconds, then we need to work on that and I can help you there. So all right, thanks for watching.